Hi, I'm Sarah.
Hi, I'm James, and we're part of the EdTech team at Elizabeth Woodville Primary School. And today we're going to show you how to use Loom. So, Loom is a screen recording application that is built on the web. So, first of all, you'll need to go to loom.com and press Get Loom for free to sign up for a free account. After you've signed up for a free account, as an educator, you can apply for a free pro version by going to pricing at the top, and then under pro, just under the price, you can see it says free for education. If we tap here, it gives you a link to get your account verified. You must make sure that when you sign up with your school email address, and once your account's been verified, you get the pro version completely free. So let's log into Loom and see how it all works. So I'm going to press the sign in button, and I've signed up with Google, so yeah, I'm just going to press sign in with Google and select my account. And now you see I'm signed in and at my Loom dashboard. I don't have any videos in here. So the first thing I'm going to do is look at how I can actually record a video. So before we can record a video, we have to have the desktop application or the Chrome extension installed. So to be able to do that, the easiest way is actually just press the record video button and it pops up on our screen. So now I can either download the desktop app or install the Chrome extension. It's worth noting that the Chrome extension only allows you to record Loom videos from within Chrome. So if you want to record things like PowerPoint, you're going to need to use the desktop app. So I'm going to go to More at the top, and I've got the desktop app option here. So I'm going to click on that. Now you see I can download it from my Mac. If I press See More options, you can see I can also download it for a Windows PC. So I'm going to download and install this, and then we'll come back and show you how to use it in a minute.
So now I'm signed into the Loom desktop app. You can see we've got some options here. I can record my screen and cam, my screen only or the cam only. If you are doing anything to record your screen, then you've got some options. You can record your full screen or you can record just a window. So because I want to talk over my teaching PowerPoint, I'm going to select PowerPoint and I appear here in the bottom left hand corner. Now when I start recording, there's more options for this bubble, so I'll show you in just a second. Counts you down. I'm going to play my PowerPoint from the start, so it's nice and big in the background. If you press the three dots underneath your bubble now, then you can make yourself a little bit bigger in your bubble. And the small circle takes you back. The square makes you full screen, so you could say hello and then come back to your PowerPoint by pressing the little circle there. And then your options up the side, you can stop recording or pause your recording or delete your recording. And because I'm in PowerPoint now, you can see I can teach as normal. I can move the arrows to move through my slides. I can also use the pencil to laser point or annotate. So I can carry on with my lesson and explain as normal, but I'm in the bubble here and my lesson is going on in the background. I can also move my bubble, so I could be over this side or up here depending on your PowerPoint. I'm just going to leave myself back down here. There we go.
After you've finished recording your videos, they will appear in your Loom dashboard in your personal library. So you can see down here I've got 3 different videos, and I can make these available to the students in different ways. So if I click on this video here, and it takes me through to the video page, so I can watch the video back, I can see the title, and there's a download button here for me to be able to download the video as a video file to my computer, and then that allows me to upload it to a different platform, etc. if I wish. I can delete the video, and if I want to, I can duplicate the video. But more importantly, on the right hand side at the top, I can send my video and I can copy the link. So I can copy the link to this video and just put the link to this video into my learning management system, my LMS, and then students can click on the link and they'll be able to watch the video back. Now you'll notice down here we've got privacy, so link sharing means that only people with the link can see the video. It's not been made available publicly or anything like that. I can add a password if I want, but I don't think that'd be very useful for younger children. But something that is very useful is in the settings. So we've got edit your video here in the settings. And a few things just to consider before you send the link out to the children is the comments. So do you want children to be able to comment on the video? I would suggest that you turn this off because you don't want lots of email notifications and you don't want another place where you've got to handle comments from children. Children can also emoji react. So if you look under the video, there's different emojis here. I would suggest as well that you turn those off as well. And then it also allows the viewer can download the video. We don't really need the children to download the videos as well, so I would turn that off as well. And then you can press save, and now those settings are saved. You'll notice that the emojis have disappeared from the bottom, and although there's a comments option here, there's nothing for me to be able to do on it. So that's now all turned off. And that's how we deal with the settings and send out the videos to our pupils.